In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you get more coins in Taskbar Hero. Let's get started. If you are struggling to earn enough gold for upgrades, gear or progression, these tips will help you build up your coin reserves much faster. The first and most important method is completing achievements. Achievements are one of the fastest sources of coins in the game, especially if you are playing through Steam. To check your progress, open the Steam Achievements page for Taskbar Hero and review the available challenges. Every time you unlock an achievement, you'll receive a valuable coin reward, and some achievements can provide a significant boost to your gold income. Make it a habit to track achievements and focus on completing the ones that are closest to being finished. Another great way to earn coins is by using the alchemy system once you reach level 4. After unlocking it, open a cube and select the alchemy option. From there, you can either manually choose items or simply click the autofill button to make the process quicker. Alchemy allows you to convert lower value or unwanted items into gold, helping you clear inventory space while generating extra income. At the same time, this is a simple and effective method that you can use regularly throughout your playthrough. By combining achievement rewards with the alchemy system, you'll be able to earn coins much faster and keep your character processing smoothly. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.